and I'm sure you've heard that it boosts your immune system. A strong one might save you even if you're very sick and have no medicine available. A weak one might not, even if you have the best medicines and doctors by your side. Sadly, Echinacea has fallen prey to its own popularity. It's one of the most counterfeited herbs and natural supplements out there. That's why most Echinacea products on the market are little more than a placebo. They're nothing compared to the Echinacea you can get from your own backyard. As we grow older, our immune system gets weaker. It's one of the main reasons that when you catch a cold in your 20s, you barely even feel it. But when you're 60, it might put you in a hospital bed for a few weeks. By middle age, you need something to help your immune system, so it can help you back. And growing your own Echinacea is a great way to do that. Unfortunately, nowadays there are more and more bacteria that have become resistant to antibiotics, even the most powerful ones available. That's especially true for urinary tract and prostate infections. That's why sometimes the only way to get rid of these stubborn infections is to strengthen your immune system. And growing Echinacea is the best way to do that. Here's a quick backyard remedy you'll probably end up using quite often. Dig up some Echinacea roots and slice them rather thinly. Put them inside a pot with water and let everything simmer for 30 minutes. Drink hot for an immune boost at the first sign of a cold or other illness. Other remedies you'll soon make with your own powerful Echinacea are the immune-stimulating Echinacea tincture, an antiseptic mouthwash, Echinacea oil for inflammation, the anti-germ salve, and root decoction for pains and aches.